What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video. Two.
Okay, yeah.
All right, now we have back with us
Mayvi.
She is back again. I know y'all guys said a couple comments on the thing of me messing up her name. She was mad at me. As you can see on her face right now. Of course, I'm going to be shooting with bing, 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 of course, my regular setup here, the Ronin S with the A7siii, Ninja. I'm gonna be shooting 4K RAW to the Ninja V, of course. Ready to get to work.
You know.
Let's get to work, let's get to work, let's get to work, let's get to work. Let's get to work. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go. Stop. Right there, yeah. Not too much, come back up a little bit, right there. I don't need you to just kind of sit in there with your doors. Okay, just walk. Never look at me. You can't look around this time, okay?
Okay.
All right, go. Stop. Is this your jam?
I don't know the song, but I like it.
All right, go back in.
The wind is winding.
The wind is winding?
Yeah,
what's that mean?
That is doing what it needs to do.
All right, ready? All right. So it's gonna have you leaning on that, on this. Yeah. I like that a lot better. Okay. Nice. I like that. Yeah. And action. Do you look nice? Look at me. Yeah. God damn it, Stan, we gotta do it again. For some reason, my fat fingers hit the record. I thought I did. All right, here we go again.
Okay.
Sorry, here we go. There we go. Yeah. You wanna look at this?
Okay, legs for days. Cows.
It looks pretty good already, man. You ready?
Yes.
Yes. All right, yeah. Here we go. Yeah, like you're playing with lights like that. Good job, yeah. Reach for the stars. Go ahead and take a reach. One. Yeah, just like that. Put your hands there. Video, I really hope you enjoyed the work that Mayvi and I put in for you. Now, Mayvi, how did you enjoy putting that video work in for the first time with me?
Oh, I feel special. I really loved it. I think it will be really nice.